Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel BB Crochet Ideas. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. Allah bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet blouse ideas. So please viewers, don't skip the video. Watch the video start to last. These tops designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these unique ideas. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of crochet blouse. You can design your blouse or dresses with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who are searching beautiful and outclass crochet articles collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet articles. Crochet articles are very famous all over the world. Mostly women like the crochet articles. You can see more beautiful and unique crochet designs from my channel. All these articles are very attractive. These articles are specially for women. All these articles are washable and durable. Thank you friends for supporting me. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.